This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Linda.bowen.hughes. Just bring your toothbrush. One-level ranch-style home with private driveway and private entry includes ramp to front deck. Pets considered and length of lease is negotiable. This beautiful home is fully furnished and move-in ready with everything you need from linens to cookware. Utility share, so the utilities are already on. This home features mountain views as well as views of downtown Blairsville. Minutes to town, shopping, restaurants, UC schools, UC hospital and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Bowen Hughes at 706-897-2956.